Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word tempered. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She had a tempered response to the difficult situation, remaining calm and collected throughout. The word tempered in this sentence means showing self-control, restraint, and moderation in one's emotions or reactions without losing composure. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.